We are going to paint a quick and easy cute snowman. So start by stacking your circles on your stone and then fill them in white. I'm just grabbing basic acrylic paint. You can do this with acrylic paints or with paint pens from start to finish. Just follow the same design. So fill in both of your circles. Once that's dry, we're going to place on our arms. Now I'm using an extra fine tip paint pen here, and then I'm going back with black and just adding just the slightest little shadow on the bottom part of the branches. It's just a nice little added detail. Next, we're going to add on our hat. So I'm placing the top of the hat first, and I'm going to taper the hat inward slightly. It just gives it a cute top hat look. Then we're going to place the brim of the hat across the top of our snowman's head, give it a little bit of thickness, and then I'm going to leave a gap that I'm going to come back and add a color in later. Now for the lining, we're going to use two different colors of blue. So we're going to start with the darker blue on the outer edge, and I am thickening it up just a little bit on the left-hand side, and I'm going to have it get thinner as it moves to the right-hand side. So we're going to create this kind of shadow look to it. Then we're going to come inside that dark blue with our light blue and kind of follow the same lining where it kind of curves along that left-hand side of our snowman. And then I did wrap that all the way around the right-hand side. Next, we're adding on our coal eyes. So you want kind of a square shape to them. You don't want them to be perfectly circle. Same with the buttons down the center. You can do 2 or 3 here. You just don't want them to be perfect circles. And then we're going to add little dashes for our mouth. Now your snowman wouldn't be complete without a cute little carrot nose. So we're going to add our carrot nose on here as well and fill it in. And then we're going to come back and decorate our hat. So I'm filling mine in with red. Pick whatever color that you want to. Just keep in mind you might need a second coat of whatever color you place in your hat. So place the first one down to let it dry before you come back for that second coat. And then we're going to do a little sprig of holly here on the side of his hat. So just a green V shape here to get you started. And then we'll come back and add a few little red dots for some berries on there. So I'm just dotting with my paint pen a few berries. And again, like I said, add a second coat to that hat and he is finished. You can decorate him any way you want to. This is just a jumping off point of how to paint a simple snowman. Make sure that you're subscribed and you turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming rock painting tutorials. Bye-bye.